So I'm going to show you how to drape a one dart bodice. We'll start with the same size muslin as previously, 18 inches across by 24 in length, 18 by 24. And once again, we're going to start by drawing a 1-inch grain line away from the selvage of the muslin. And remember, don't start like this, otherwise you're gonna you'll be missing fabric here. So just go up a few inches, maybe 3-4 inches or so, and start pinning this grain line onto the center front of the form. And you can pin, we'll put a few pins onto center front like this, using the bottom of the tape. And we'll start with the neckline area, and again, do not cut straight across, don't do that. What you have to do is you go up about 1 inch from the neckline, go up about 1 inch or so, and cut for about 1 inch, and then go upward. Just think up in the sky, okay? You gotta go up. And then with the scissors, we're gonna slash the muslin to release the tension so that it lays flat onto the form. Okay, so again, we're gonna find our princess line, or princess seam here. With your fingers, feel where the seam is, and we'll put a little pin right there, and we'll put a little cross mark like so. And then we're going to take all this fabric here and fold it underneath, just like this, to create our dart. Now again, see all this excess here, this tension here? We're going to slash into it and release the tension. I'm going to put a temporary pin right here, but watch what happens as we start slashing towards the waistline. This tension goes away, and you will have to readjust your dart a little bit so it's nice and flat and smooth, maybe a couple of times. All this extra fabric we don't really need, just like we did earlier. We can trim all of this off. There we go. See, that tension is gone. We'll do one more slash right here. There we go. So basically, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna mark my waistline, bottom of the tape. There's my waistline. Mark where the two fabrics meet. Continue your waistline. Again, you want to make sure that when you release the pin, you have, this is your dart. You see that? Okay, I'm gonna pin it back. Continue marking your side seam, and where the shoulder meets the armhole, we'll mark the armhole and the shoulder and the neckline, just like we did earlier. Again, little dots, just like this. Okay, let's mark the apex. We need to know where the apex is because we have to back away from the apex to create our dart, remember? Okay, so there is the apex right there. We'll put a little cross. And that's pretty much it. But you know the routine by now. Between this little bit of draping and some pattern making, you know that the next step is to transfer all these little cross marks to dotted paper, add seam allowance, create a dart, true a dart, etc., and then go from there. Okay? Next, I'm going to show you how to drape a back, a very simple, basic back that we can now combine with the front we've just draped. Okay? I'll see you next class. Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.